Hey man, you know where I watch. Dancehall skilla.
Hey, welcome people. Dancehall skilla there again. Blessed manners and respect to each and everyone. I have videos that I'm going to present to you. Okay, so my people, I want to look at a video that I'm about to present to you and try and get some form of understanding about a situation or something that was going on between the driver of a motor vehicle and a police officer. I want to listen to some words that have been said in the video. I want to listen to some words that the law enforcer said in at least one part of the video. Observe.
No, further than early. Further than early. Yeah, further than early.
Put this one about here. Put this one about here. Well, this now put this in a sandy bag.
Catch I first, man. Come on, go on, man. This is about making it. Run it up, go. Go waste. Yo, come. Come in, man. So left your side of that.
Put your pass.
Yo, left your side. Left your side, friend.
Come Sunday.
Left your side.
He might go there. Oh, we have
Yo, tell over my bus, brother.
What's that? Joke this.
Catch I first. Catch my foot by the man. Lift up. Reverse. Come back now. Yeah, what Jeffrey do?
So based on what me hear the law enforcer said in a part of the video, there might be trouble for someone. Might be. Yes, I said might be. But that's just one topic right there. I don't know that situation end, my people. Okay, so I'm going to present to you pieces of videos that are going to show some things that happened when a person who was operating a motor vehicle had been told by police to step out of the motor vehicle, and police conducted a search, or inside of the motor vehicle had been searched. I would like you to look at these videos, try and get an understanding about the situation, and tell me if you think those law enforcers did their job in a professional way. So anyways, my people, look at the situation here and tell me what you think. Oh, observe.
Out of the vehicle.
Thank you, sir.
So just no problem.
Stop back here about, sir. Sir, hey.
Yes, my G, I'm stepping out of the road, my G. I'm stepping out of the road.
Sir, look what the police is doing. You're gonna take the bag, have it in your hand.
Please, sir.
The light.
What about the light, my G?
Sir, do not go down.
Don't know what it's about, sir.
Please do not go down. Okay, sir?
Don't know what is in the box.
Do not go down.
Search the bag then, my G. Just search the bag then, my G. I'm not shining it in
I'm
here.
saying the light on my eyes. I
Take
can't
off the
the
flash
light.
then.
If you want to record, don't shine the light in my eyes. Okay? Look at my hands.
My G.
Sir,
Hey,
just
listen, policeman.
look at my hands. Don't be difficult. Please.
I'm not, I gave you the bag to
Look
search
at my
it.
hand, sir. You're looking at my hand?
Yes, I am
Lovely,
looking.
sir. Alright, what's in this?
Look in there.
What is that?
Look in there. You guys already basically tell me say you
Oh,
can
this
do
one?
whatever you want to do.
Sir, yeah, but weed
So,
and sir.
okay, and weed is not illegal.
Depending on the amount of
And you
ounce that
can
you
check
have,
how
sir.
much I have.
Lovely,
Big man,
so we
just
have to make
cool
sure.
down now. Watch
Sir,
out,
why are you
what
being
you do.
difficult?
I am not being difficult.
This is what I want here. Anything you want here, do.
Oh, this one, please.
Anything you want to do, you do also.
Hold on
That
to
is
me,
how
please,
Jamaica is.
Yours,
That is
sir.
how Jamaica
Sir,
is.
If you can record, just turn off the flash. Can
My
you take the
G,
flash?
my G, the flash is not shining in your eye, my G.
Turn off the flash, please. Record.
everything that everyone does is against you. And the whole world is against you, including the JC.
This is wasting my time. I have to get somewhere.
So we're time wasters.
At the moment.
So you're saying that the police are time wasters?
At the moment, because I did not do anything. I am watching and it's on the video.
So basically, we're not going to do work then.
Do your job, but do your job correctly.
What I'm doing, sir?
What I'm doing, sir? What I'm doing? Is this your box, sir?
You're a big boss? Yeah, continue, sir.
Is this your box, sir?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
You know the officer them can't see me and see me an idiot. Because I'm not chatting when I make no sense.
You actually are that.
But no. And all your colleagues them will tell you stop the talking. You still a talk. You still a talk to me. For sure you say it's more than just a work thing. It's a mental, it's a ego, emotional thing.
You have any more of this in the vehicle, sir?
No.
Okay.
That cannot open. Press the button right there. There's a lot of stuff in there. If you want, I can assist you.
No, man, that's what I'm doing.
Please. Ah, boy.
Alright, let's talk about them in the picture.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Big up yourself, right, officer?
Alright. Let's talk about that.
Alright, my people, I understand where the person, did I say, I thought the person who, you know, basically have been approached by police or how you might call it, you know, I understand. But at the same time, in my point of view, still, you know, the way all police officers, when I see that so, in the video and so forth, was doing what they do, it's not too bad comparing to certain situations when I say. You know, I'm not trying to be disrespectful, I'm not putting down when nobody say how a person might feel about a situation, but comparing to some situations when I see I hear about, this not too bad at all. I mean, the person a video record will go on, and it's like police basically I say, hey, you look what I'm doing, you see what I'm, you understand? So, well, I understand the person I say, but in my point of view, situation not too bad when it comes on to the police and that they work. So, but you can't tell me what you're thinking of people. Do you think that law enforcers we're seeing the video were doing their job properly or not? Leave a comment or comments in the comment section of this video to let me know what you think. And if you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all. Now, my people, you see, the next video that I'm going to present to you is going to show some things that happened when one motor vehicle that was being operated by someone collided with a motor vehicle that was being operated by someone. Basically, one motor vehicle crashing another motor vehicle. The video gave me the understanding that one of the motor vehicles that was involved in the collision turned towards another motor vehicle and hit at least one part of that motor vehicle. The thing is, my people, I would like you to look at this video, try and get some form of understanding about this type of situation and tell me which one of the drivers for which motor vehicle might be at fault when it comes down to this accident along a roadway. The video had been recorded within the country of Jamaica. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me. So take a look. Wagwan, look around, and so forth. Watch it now. Because I look on the situation, you know. I see where that motor vehicle, one motor vehicle, watch it. You see what going on there, son? Alright, so me look on the video carefully. Hold on. Let me see if anything else is there worth seeing. You understand? Now, people, you see the person who was operating the motor vehicle that had been driven from off one road to the other road, I think that's dangerous. Because I noticed that there was a motor vehicle at a certain spot that might have caused some form of difficulty for motorists to see certain things that might be going on the road. So if you're not totally able to see up the road or so forth, are totally able to see oncoming traffic on the road, be very careful. Don't just drive up like that. Yes, so I say that's a one point. The next thing, my people, may I look on the video, I'm gonna ask you this question. Do you see any traffic lights or sign or so forth? Cause may I look and I'm wondering. Yes, so me just ask you if you see any. Look at the video at this spot. Do you see any traffic lights? Do you see any form of sign? Do you see any? The next video I'm going to present to you is going to show some things that happened at the scene of where a truck and a motor vehicle collided during subscribers. So I say, I'm not sure how the incident happened, but somehow a motor vehicle and some type of a truck collided and situation look away. But I didn't get any confirmed information to determine about any injury or anything like that, or how certain things might have happened during subscribers, but me some words said in the video that I'm thinking I'm not able to confirm if any words said in the video are accurate pertaining to the situation. But here's the video. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me.
Guys, look what I see in Charlemont. Oh, master. Man. It's serious. A truck got into an accident right here with a car. Whoa, it's so... Guys, look at this. Whoa. Right at Crossroad, Newarton. This is what I'm talking about. Safe travel on the gravel. Oh God. Yeah. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Alright guys.
Alright, so to each and every motorist, please be careful out there. To each and everyone. To everyone, please be careful out there. Be careful on the road. Just be careful. You see, motorists drive safely for yourself and for others. And I think here's where I'm going to leave it. And big up and respect to each and every one. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all. And until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla.